back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you my get ready with me routine that I do typically every morning when I go ahead and get ready. This video was requested by a few people, so I figured I'd go ahead and do it. And I just want to say sorry for the lighting. I'm in my bathroom in my motorhome and the lighting is not good at all. Evelyn's here with me now. But this is my mommy get ready with me. I show you everything that I use as far as makeup, and then I show you how I crimp my hair with the new crimper that I got from Ulta. I have it linked down below. You can get it off Amazon as well. But if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Carly. I'm a mama to a she's 16 months now, 16-month-old baby girl. Her name is Evelyn. We are living in a travel trailer for the next few weeks. We are down in South Carolina. We are originally from Pennsylvania. My husband is a professional motocross racer, so we are down here for the winter. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I got my hair done like this, and then my makeup, which you can barely see because the lighting is so bad in here. But let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be using is this Neutrogena Bright Boost Illuminatum Serum. It just looks like this. I also have the nighttime cream that looks like this. So I do that at nighttime and then this in the morning. I kind of use this as like my primer type thing. So just has like a little button on the top. And then I just do a dot in each part of my face. This is going to be hard because I have a mirror right here, but I'm trying to look into my phone. Oh, that hurt. So like the first step to doing makeup, if you want to do it in like an order, would be to use some type of primer. This is not like a makeup primer, but it's a bright booster, so I just use it in the morning and my makeup lays really nice on top of it. Okay, so the next thing I'm using, which I'm pretty much out of this, and I'm looking for a new foundation. So if you guys have any foundation recommendations, then that was hard to say, then let me know down in the comments. But this is the Dream Liquid Mousse by Maybelline, and I'm literally out. Like, I cannot even pump it anymore, so I just open it and put some on my beauty blender, if any will even come out. Oh, there's some right there. Okay, so I literally just use like a little dab and put it all over my face. And I'm not a beauty guru by any means, so don't judge me if I'm doing something wrong. But then I just dab my makeup into my face instead of rubbing it. I want to be daring, baby, dancing. And then if you're not tan like me and you don't want your face to look different from your neck, then definitely this is where I like rub it in down here just to kind of match everything. And also with this nighttime cream, this is the Neutrogena Bright Boost Gel Cream. I put in my Ulta Beauty face tanning drop, so I put it in with my cream, and then I wake up in the morning and my face is like tanned. It like develops overnight, so I do that every single night as well. Okay, so for concealer I use e.l.f. It's just the 16-hour camo concealer, and I use it in light beige. I've been using this for like a year now, and I absolutely love the e.l.f. concealer. It comes with this big wand, which is really easy to put on your face. So that's where I put my concealer. And then I use the same beauty blender, but the opposite side, to blend it into my face. Night away, I let my hair down if I want. And this is my everyday makeup look, but I don't try this hard every single day. Some days I'll literally just put some powder on my face and some mascara and call it a day. But since you guys wanted to see like a get ready with me, I figured I would show you all of the steps to when I do my makeup. like step by step. So after that's done, the next thing I use, which I'm almost out of, I need to order more, is the banana setting powder, and I use it in medium. So I just take this and a brush, and then I just put it everywhere where I just concealed my face. So next I use the e.l.f. finishing powder, and this is in medium dark. I use this as like my contour to make my face tanner, and I just take this big fluffy brush and I like pinch it, put the product on it, and then put it on my cheekbones where I contour my face. And then I just buff it out. And then I do the same thing on my forehead, and then just buff it out. Basically just makes your face look tan. And then I do the same thing down on my jaw, and then take it down to my neck. And then the last thing I do for my face is I just use the same brush, and I'm using the Pixie Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. I need to order more of this too. I got this from my Ipsy, but it's like a bronzing blush instead of like a peachy pink blush. I don't know, I just really enjoy that instead of having like a bright pink blush on your face.
You just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time. Doesn't sound like fun.
So next I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow, and I've been using the same eyeshadow since last Christmas when I got this palette for Christmas. It's kind of wore off, but this is the Velvet Matte palette from Profusion Cosmetics. I got it from Target, but it's just a matte palette. Let me see if I can show it to you without spilling everything. And every single day I just go in with these. You can see like these are the ones that I use the most. So I just go in with this. It's called Likeable, Heavenly, and then Embrace. And I don't do anything crazy with my eyeshadow. I don't do like the outer, the inner, the crease, any of that. I just mix a bunch of colors and put it on my eye. And I have like this big fluffy brush that I just literally blend it all in. If I'm like doing date night or something with Joel, then I'll do all of those steps, but every day at the racetrack I don't do that. And if you happen to get this face tanner, it's from Ulta. They have it on Amazon though too. I will have everything that I can find linked down below, but you just add it to your moisturizer. Make sure you don't blend it into your eyebrows, because I did that the first night and I woke up and my eyebrows were red. So make sure you don't do that. Okay, so next step is to do my eyeliner and then mascara, and then I'm done for my face. So I'm just using, I don't even know what it's called because it's literally worn off. It's just a black liquid eyeliner pencil, and I just do the tops and then a little bit of my bottoms. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror to do this though. I don't think I can look into the camera. So basically I just do like a thin line for the top, and then I'll just take it on my inner lash line because I feel like my eyes look puffy if I don't use eyeliner. And then the last step is to just use my mascara, and I usually use setting spray, but I don't think it's in here. I think it's out in the truck from a wedding that we were just in. But I usually use the e.l.f. Setting spray. It's in a black bottle, but I won't be able to use it today because I think it's out in the truck. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is probably my favorite mascara ever. It works the best, and the brush is like nice and thick and short, so it's easy to get all of your lashes. And then half the time I get it on top of my eye and I have to get it off. And then I do it on my lower lashes too. Okay, so that is it for my face. I don't do anything crazy. It takes maybe 10 minutes to do, if that. My hair is still wet because I just got out of the shower, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and finish blow drying it, and then we will get into the crimping of my hair. Okay, so this is the crimper that I use. I will have it linked down below. You can get it off Amazon. I got mine at Ulta though, but just because I had a gift card to Ulta. If not, I probably would have ordered it off Amazon. And it's only like $25 I think on Amazon, so it's not a bad price at all. I do my setting to 375 and I'm just gonna let it heat up. Evelyn's gonna join me in a second. But there's also a knob at the top and it shortens and lengthens this. I put mine all the way to the top. Hi. What? Okay. So the first thing I do is I put my hair up into different sections to go ahead and crimp it. So I just put all of my top hair up and I leave all my bottom hair down. Okay, and then you just take a little section of hair. I've never done this right after I blow dried my hair, so we're gonna see how this turns out together. But you just take a little section. So I have to go ahead and finish this video with a voiceover because Joel had come inside and him and Evelyn were making way too much noise for me to go ahead and continue talking through the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and do a voiceover, but basically what I do is I section off my hair. I take all of my underneath hair, I will put it into little sections like this, I will brush it through, and then I will crimp it with the crimper, and I always make sure that this side is up, like the side that you can see it actually crimping your hair, and make sure that side is up, otherwise you can't really see what you're doing, you can't see how thick your crimps, I guess that's what you want to call them, are. I try not to crimp them so tight together. I kind of will do like a spot, I'll crimp it, and then I'll move down a little bit and crimp again. You don't want to just keep like crimping all the way down. Also, I pull the bottom of my hair with my other hand just to make sure my hair is like nice and tight when it is crimping it.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to.
So you basically just want to do this process over and over again with every single section of hair that you are going to be crimping with your head. So after I'm done doing this section, I will go ahead and take the rest of my hair down, and I don't do anything. I don't brush it out. I don't run my fingers through or anything like that until the very end if I feel like I need to. That way your hair is still hot after you're done crimping it, and it's not like fully, I don't know what they call it, but I want to say like set to the curl. So you don't want to go ahead and like run your fingers through your hair right away because that can obviously take out the curl or whatnot. So next I just go ahead and section off my hair again. I just kind of keep like my part, if that makes sense, up on top of my head, and then I will do the rest of my hair that I don't need to be put up right now.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty.
So like I told you guys in the beginning, I had just gotten out of the shower and I had blown dried my hair. I actually did not like how my curls turned out today. I prefer once I take a shower at nighttime and kind of let my hair sit and like dry on its own, and then crimp my hair in the morning. I feel like the curl holds way better. My hair was kind of like flat after I did this, so I definitely recommend maybe doing this on not like freshly washed hair. Also, you can add dry shampoo to give yourself like some volume and stuff. That is something that I did, but I still wasn't, this wasn't my normal like crimping session, if that makes sense. This did not look how my hair typically looks, and I know it's because I had just washed my hair.
Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your body.
And then once I am done crimping all of the sections of my hair, I will kind of just run my fingers through the top of it and kind of see any spots that maybe I want to crimp again. I typically don't have to do this if my hair is not freshly washed, but I was just trying to maybe get some thinner sections and crimp those just to give my hair some like extra volume, which it ended up working, and I didn't mind how it came out today. I just prefer it better once my hair is like not freshly washed, if that makes sense. But next I'll just go ahead and grab some hairspray. This is just hairspray from Walmart. It's the Suave kind. I actually really like this stuff because it doesn't make your hair feel like hard once you spray it. I also don't spray a ton of it. I just kind of spritz it all over my head, and then that's pretty much it for what I do for my hair for crimping.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got a better step-by-step on how I do my hair. I had this done in my mommy morning routine, and a lot of people ask me how I crimped my hair. Evelyn is still with us as always, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I can't make too many like cleaning videos and organizing videos like I normally do because we are living in a travel trailer. And if you want to see what our travel trailer looks like, I have a tour on my channel. I will have it linked down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and since I'm only posting like once or twice a week, you can follow me on Instagram at Hetrick to keep up with what we're doing and all of that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!